Hello, so today we are going to solve question number 20, that's valid parenthesis one. So the question is like we have given a string which contains just these characters. Okay, we have to validate whether its uh, input string is valid or not. For a input string to be valid, the open bracket must be closed with the same type of bracket. Open bracket must be closed in correct order, and every close bracket has corresponding open bracket of same type. So from examples, as you can see, this string is valid because it's being open and closed by same bracket. Again, these pair of brackets are open and closed with the same brackets, and this one is invalid string because it open with this bracket and gets closed by this bracket. So for this, let's start coding. So for this, what we are going to do, we are going to have a stack in which we would keep pushing these all open brackets and keep checking for all the closing brackets that whether it's being the closed by same pair or not. Okay, so let's have a stack first. String is equal to, okay, so now let's iterate over the length of a string. Now we would check that whether it's an opening bracket or not. So for that, if si is equal to this, or si is equal to or si is equal to, then we would push it to the array. Okay, so st dot push is I. Now let's come to the second part. If it's not a closing bracket, then if it's a if it's not a opening bracket, then it would be a closing bracket for sure. So if length of st not equals to 0, why we are checking it, like, there might be a case that this opening bracket is not there, the first one is the just a closing bracket. Okay, or we can have in somewhere in the string in the main point there is only closing bracket. So we would check for the length of a string, length of the stack. If length of a stack is equal to 0 and si is a closing bracket, let's come for the first type first, and st minus 1, that means the last object, last character, last bracket type in the stack is also a closing opening bracket for this closing bracket. Then we would just simply pop the pop the last item from this stack. Okay, similarly let's check this using else if condition for rest of the brackets. Okay, so let's check for the second type. Sorry, not this one, this one closing and this one is opening. Again this one will be opening and closing. Okay, now if it doesn't satisfy any of the condition, then we would return false. Again, there might be the case that there is some the iteration has completed, but there might be something inside this stack. Some opening bracket is there which has not been closed yet. So we would check for that. Return length of st equals to 0. Okay, now let's run this code. Okay, list of section not reviewed. Okay, sorry, it's Python, so we need to append. Okay, so it has passed all the 3 cases for it. Now let's submit it. Yeah, so this question has been solved. It has, so the solution has been accepted. So these are the steps which we are going to uh, do for validation. Okay, thank you guys, thank you for watching. We will meet in the next video. Thank you.